Hey guys, how's it going? So this might be a clickbait title, but in this video we're going to be talking about there's a possibility of big news coming soon. Only speculation. This could either be shorts covering or there's been information that big money or people got access to like earlier than retail investor, and they decided to pump the stock in advance of the news. Or maybe this is pure speculation on the fact that tomorrow they're going to be announcing some kind of big news and the stock is going to take off. One of the two scenarios that is happening, but in this video we're going to be talking about something that's pretty interesting. It's the earnings report that came out not too long ago. So if you didn't unaware, TAT is a reverse merger company. They reverse merger with something called Farmer Mori Energy Incorporation. So it's a shell company that they merge with for a TAT listing on this Canadian Security Exchange. But in this video, we're going to be looking at the year-end earnings report. No, is that year-end? No, yeah, year-end. So type it in, R5 M6M. So this is TAT. See, you can see the TAT right here. But according to this, TAT ending on October 31st, 2020, they have about $12 million of cash. This is, I believe, the full year of 2020. And for 12 months ending 2020, they made about $171,000 of revenue, $70 of gross profit, and the expenses added up to about $5 million for the entire year, which is not a lot of money. Entire year to cover wages, travel, transaction cost, management consulting fees, which is probably the most expensive, and then share-based payments is about 5.5 million, but that is not a loss for the company. It's just an accounting principle because it's been paid out to the management. But the expenses was about $5 million, a little less than $5 million for total expenses for a revenue of $171,000. But if you look at what is going on with the company right now, they are in Ohio in 126 stores. They are in e-commerce, and if you're not aware, in 4 days of their e-commerce, they already generated $150,000. So we take the e-commerce of TAT alone, and we take an assumption that they can generate about $500,000 a month, which is not really that far-fetched, which is a completely possibility. We can see TAT generating about $1.5 million just off the e-commerce store, and that is a lot of money. $1.5 million of e-commerce, and e-commerce is high margin because you don't have to pay the distributor, you don't have to pay the retailer, it's straight plug and play with consumers, which is the highest margin you can ask for ever. So it's very good to see that the e-commerce stores is doing very well. But only time will tell if it's good or not. I'm hoping they announce something at the end of the month saying, in 1 month, we generated $1 million of revenue on our e-commerce store. I'm hoping to hear that, but I don't know if we'll hear that. It's all up to management on what they decide to release as press release. So, yeah, but I'm thinking that when we see October 31st, 2021, we're going to see $10 million in sales. Estimate only for the entire year, $10 million in sales, with a gross profit of probably, 5 or 6 million, which would make them break even or even flip a profit, especially if they can keep the expenses low. So that's what I expect. I mean, it could be way better than that. I don't know at the end of the day, but I do believe in this company. I think that this company is a winner. Long term anyways. Short term, I don't know. It could fall. But, you know, this increase in stock price near the end of the day, looking promising. I'm going to hold this long term. So that's just me though. But, yeah. Anyways, High Tide is also a company I plan to hold long term. I do plan to swing trade it. So we'll see what happens. If this stock price keeps going down, I will definitely buy in and sell out as soon as it pops. So, you know, I'm going to swing trade it until I hear some kind of big news that makes me want to hold all my shares long, like super long term. But for now, I think the stock price is going to keep falling. Even earnings is not enough, not exciting enough to make investors buy up the stock, apparently. So we'll see what happens with the stock. I mean, any day it could just pop like what TAT did. So, you know, I could be missing the boat on this, or maybe I am right and this thing is going back to between 70 to 75 cents, which would make it a buying opportunity again. Ride is up 16 cents after hours, up 43 cents. I already talked about this. I don't know why I have this stock up. Fans and Luck is taking huge hits lately. Fans is down 18 cents, and Luck is down 8 cents today, 6.35%. That sucks, but that's the reality of it. I'm hoping to see this thing below $1. I still have a position. Maybe I should have took my profit and gambled to take it, buy it lower, but it's too late. I'm gonna hold it. I don't think right now is a right choice to sell, to take a small amount of profit to buy it low later. I mean, it could could be smart, but I decided I'm gonna hold this long term. I want to have a little bit of exposure to the e-commerce, esports market. AABB is my Bitcoin play, not Bitcoin play, cryptocurrency play. I did my research on this company. It sounds interesting, and I am going to camp it to buy the dips. If it goes super low, I'm gonna buy some more. So I hope it goes down to 10 cents so I can load the boat on it. That's, you know, my plan. SOS, I'm gonna stay away from this company, even though, you know, people say it's not a fraud. I still don't trust it. That's just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.